My name is Tania, and today we're going to be making some delicious brownies. And yeah, let's get started. So, where should I start? So we have the brownie mix, some scissors for the brownie mix, to open the brownie mix, spoon or whisk. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. I might choose the whisk because we got a bowl, vegetable oil, some water, and my pan for my brownies, and 2 eggs. Alright, so I'm going to pour my brownies mix into the bowl. Alright, now that I got my brownies mixed into the bowl, I'm gonna put the 2 eggs in here. So I'm gonna crack 1 egg and then I'm gonna crack the other egg. So I didn't know if I was supposed to use 1 egg or 2 eggs, so I just used 2 eggs just in case, to give it flavor, I guess. So now we're gonna add the water. One and a half cup of water. And then we have 1.5 cup of vegetable oil. Oh, I was about to throw it in the trash. So now this is my favorite part to do, and it's mixing. So now, I don't know which one should I use. Now my Weezie Nation, like this is my YouTube channel. So, Weezie Nation, which one should I use? Comment down below. I might use, I'm gonna use the spoon first, and then after that, when it's smooth sailing, I'm gonna go with the whisk. Now we're gonna stir. So I think I finished stirring all my brownie mix. What the brownie mix looks like, as you can see. Hopefully y'all can see it. But yeah. Should I stir it one more time? I think I should stir it one more time, just to make sure everything is well stirred up. So. Alright, so now I'm going to have to get the grease to grease the pan nice and smooth. So now I'm about to grease my pan. Gotta get all around the edges, not just grease one spot. It gotta go all around the pan. You gotta always grab a lot of grease to grease your pan. If y'all don't have a lot of grease for the pan, then your brownies gonna be sticky. And if your brownies are sticky, y'all probably gonna be like, ooh, ew, I don't want them. I don't want to eat them no more. Or if it is sticky to y'all, and if y'all want to eat them, then yeah, y'all could eat them then. It's not my fault that y'all brownies are sticky. So I'm gonna make sure my pan is nice and greased up because I don't want no sticky brownies. Now that I finished greasing the pan, now I'm done with the grease, finally, because I do not like that part at all. Now I'm going to need some flour, so I'm going to go get the flour. First, I need to wash my hands, because y'all, the grease is stuck in my nails. Like, this is why I don't like having long nails, because long natural nails at that, because everything gets stuck between the little crust. All right, now I'm about to go get the flour. Flour. So yeah, I'm about to dump my flour in here. So y'all, I'm about to now I'm doing making sure all the flour gets on the edges and stuff like that, so anything won't be sticky. Alright y'all, so I done finished putting the flour in my pan. Now this is what it looks like. My flour into my pan, nice and ashy. Alright y'all, now that I finished with my flour and all that, I'm gonna go preheat the oven to 375. Basically, some people do 350, but I don't like 350. I like 375, so everything can like pull up.
Okay.
Alright, now that I preheat my oven to 375, ooh, y'all, look at that! If y'all, just in case, if y'all like, Tania, are you even stirring? Like, what are you doing with the brownie mix? All my stuff is stirred. You can see it's stirred. It is nice and stirred. Now, what my favorite part I'm about to do is pour the, oh my gosh, my brownie mix into the pan. I keep on saying brownies, but who cares? Because it's literally about to be brownies in quick of a snap. Alright y'all, so I got all my brownie mix into the pan. Alright, now I'm about to put my brownie mix inside the oven. So I'll be right back. It's smelling good. Now we gotta wait for a few more minutes for the brownies to be done. Alright, y'all, so now my brownies is done, so I'm gonna take the brownies out. So this is what the brownies look like. I'm so proud of my work. Now we're just gonna let it cool off for like, let's say about 2 to 3 minutes. I worked so hard on these brownies and I think I did a good job. So we're gonna do a taste test after when the brownies are finished cooling. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so we gotta wait 2 to 3 minutes for my brownies to cool off. Now they are cooled off. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna be taste testing them because I'm very hungry and I've been waiting to get in this thing. So I'm gonna cut. Yo, it's not cutting, it's a little crunchy. I literally cut it slanted, so I can't cut straight for nothing, guys. So I have a special guest that will be doing a taste test with me. Special guest. Drum roll, please.
Hi, my Weesie Nation! So yes, I'll be. This look kind of delicious.
Kind of.
Ooh. So we're gonna taste. Woo! Girl, what did you do? You put your foot all in it? It may be small, but it's delicious, y'all. Y'all want some?
No, they can't have none.
I know you can't. Sorry.
Here we go with sound effects. That's how you know it's good.
Exactly. Oh my God. You know where she get it from? She get it from her mama. She get it from her mama. I thank you for letting me join in
You're welcome.
to do the taste test. I give her a thumbs up. I'm going to take my brownie and go.
Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, 1xnia_. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell. Everything is going to be in the description down below. Bye, guys.